Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to guide EPS workers here in Korea who want to head back home to the Philippines before their contract ends. If you're planning to go home early, stick around until the end. I've got all the info you'll need. First things first, let your employer know about your plan to leave early. Be honest about your reasons. And once they give you the okay, you can start working on the necessary paperwork. After you get the green light, book your flight, ideally in the afternoon or evening. That way, you have enough time on the day of your flight to finish all your documents and claims. Next, go to the labor office to apply for your exit clearance. Here's what you need to bring: your flight ticket, original plus photocopy, passport, original plus photocopy, ARC, alien registration card, original plus photocopy, application form. You'll get this at the labor office. You or your employer can handle this. If your employer's helping, just give them all your documents. Now, it's time to claim your departure guarantee insurance and return cost insurance. You can either ask your employer for help, visit the nearest migrant center, or go straight to the Ansan Foreign Workforce Support Center, HRD Korea. 3rd floor, 242, Gwangdok-dero, Danwon-gu, Ansan-si. Gyeonggi-do, +82 31 412 6952. Bring these with you: airline ticket, passport, ARC, bank passbook, application form. You'll get this from your employer or the migrant center. After faxing your documents, call Samsung Insurance to confirm they received everything. Tip: on your application form, choose Kookmin Bank for your payout. Why? Because your national pension refund also goes through Kookmin Bank. It's easier to handle both in one bank, one line, one transaction. Note: only workers who have been here for over a year can claim the departure guarantee insure. Next, ask your company for your twegikum. That's your severance pay. This way, you'll know if they still owe you any balance. Example: total severance 7,500,000 won. Samsung Insurance 4,500,000 won. Company balance 3 million won. That 3 million won is called the balance twegikum, and your company should pay it directly to you. Step 6. Claim your national pension NPS. About your national pension, here's what you'll need: exit clearance, passport, ARC, your Korean bank passbook. Reminder: your employer must report your resignation to NPS at least 1 week before your flight. If you don't get your pension at the airport, no worries. They'll send it to the bank account you provided after confirming you're back home. Bonus tip: if you want to talk to someone in Filipino, visit the NPS Ansan Center for Foreigners, 3rd floor, NH Building, 258, Gwangdok-dero, Danwon-gu, Ansan-si. +82 31 365 30824. Before you leave, make sure all your bills and debts are paid, like cell phone, internet, income tax, if applicable, national health insurance. Why is this important? You might get banned from re-entering Korea, or your name could be flagged at immigration. Check with your local district office or immigration to see if you have anything outstanding. Pay everything, keep your receipts. And don't forget to cancel your phone or internet plans if you won't use them anymore. Final reminders. For all of you kababayans planning to go home early, plan carefully, complete all your documents, and don't hesitate to ask for help from migrant centers or fellow OFWs. You have rights to your benefits, so make sure you claim everything before you leave. That's it, guys. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, share with your EPS friends, and subscribe for more tips for OFWs. Safe travels and take care, kabayan.